house coat on, jammies, slippers. I am in Edmonds, Washington at my daughter's house. This is her place. And I just made myself a cup of coffee. Sitting here drinking it. I wanted to show you, if I hadn't already, I don't remember, it's early. I got this at that last, what is it called, RV park I was at. It's tic-tac-toe, and it's little campers and fires, campfires, but it's a tic-tac-toe game. So I got that for the TrailManor, just something to have on the table, something fun. Anyway, got here yesterday and got set up. It was a little difficult because I live in a cul-de-sac, and it was hard to maneuver the truck around in here with the trailer hooked to it. But we did it. My daughter and her brother-in-law helped. Matt, he helped. But I see this morning that the bubbles on the leveler things are a little off. I was wondering why I felt dizzy. I mean, I always feel dizzy, but so I got to lower the front and raise the side, that side. Anyway, goodness, I forgot that radio was on. So yeah, yesterday we went down to the dock, and somebody gave my grandson Henry a crab, and they cooked it last night. I didn't taste it because, well, I'm allergic to shellfish. And then we had dinner and visited for a little bit, and we all went to bed. Henry, my oldest grandson, slept out here with me. Well, he slept in the front bunk, I slept in the back, but that was probably about 9:30ish we went to bed, 10 o'clock at the latest, I think. Anyway, and I think it's about 8 o'clock right now. I got up at 7:30, made coffee. Judy will be here tomorrow. Yay! I pick her up at the airport, I think 8:30. I don't think we have any plans for today to do anything. I'm just going to try and organize a little bit. Try and get warm. Do some laundry here at my daughter's. Try and wake up. I think my son-in-law, Tim, is putting together the last little bits of some songs for a new CD that he's putting together with his, I guess it's called a label, and I can't remember the name of the label. I asked my daughter, but anyway, so I think they have to turn it in, the last couple of songs, either today or tomorrow. I don't know if he's still here or not, or if he left. They're at the place where they put their music together and record them, putting the last ones together. Anyway, so yeah, if anything fun happens, I will bring you back. Yeah. So, I'm going to finish my coffee, and then I'm going to get busy trying to organize, because this place gets cluttered really quick. Small place, I guess. Anyway, alright, I'll be back later. Toodles. But I stepped out of the trailer, and look at this. It's foggy! My mother would love this. There's a tree back there somewhere, but the fog's covering it. I'm loving it. Anyway, sleeping really good in the TrailManor. It's totally different than at home. Go to bed about, probably gulped down some coffee. But I just wanted to show the fog and say, hey Mom, hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, I will bring you back later when I pick up Judy. Bye.